Hi everybody, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to be talking about the pen color, pen shade, and pen size blocks. Let's start by writing a simple drawing program. When the green flag is clicked, hide, and clear. So the cat will hide. As you can see, it is currently hidden, so let's make it show. This is what your program will look like in the beginning, but when I click the green flag, it will hide, and it will clear the stage of all of the pen that's on it. Then we'll add a forever loop. Let us say, forever, if then else, mouse down. So if the mouse is down, then we want the cat to put its pen down. Otherwise, we don't want the cat to put its pen down. We want the cat to put its pen up. And finally, we want to make this say, go to mouse pointer. Let's go through the program. When it starts, the cat will hide, and it will clear the stage of all of the drawings, because maybe if we want to run the program again, we don't want the old drawings to be there. Then the cat will forever go to your mouse pointer, and if you click, the cat will put its pen down, so it will draw for you. But if you're not clicking, you don't want the cat to draw, so it will not do that. It will put its pen up. Let's see if it works. I click the green flag, and it works. As you can see, I can draw, and when I'm clicking my mouse, it works. Otherwise, it's not drawing. So this is a cool way to make a simple drawing program. However, how can we make use of the pen color blocks? Well, let's see. This block says set pen color to. So let's say when the green flag is clicked, I'll make this a new script. Set pen color to, and the way this works is you can hover over any block or hover over anything on Scratch and it will set its pen color to that. So let's set it to this nice shade of purple. Now I'll be able to draw in purple. So let's experiment. What if I want to have different ways of setting my pen color? I could say when the space key is pressed, and I'll change this to 1. So when the 1 key is pressed, set my pen color to this red. I'll duplicate this. I'll say when the 2 key is pressed, and then I want a different color, so let's just click pen again and it'll have a new color. Set this pen color to green, and when the 3 key is pressed, I'll duplicate again. Set the pen color to gray. Well, actually, let's set to something a little bit different. We'll set it to this purple again. So now I should be able to change the pen color by either pressing 1, 2, or 3. Let's see if it works. I press 1 right now. You'll notice that my pen color is red. Now I press 2. You'll notice that it switched color. And now I'm pressing 3. It switched to the purple. So this is how you can draw in different colors. So what are these other blocks? Change pen color and set pen color. Well, if you don't want to use the method of clicking this and then selecting any other color on the Scratch screen, what you can do is use set pen color. So rather than saying set pen color to and then having the white, let's say set pen color to 0. This is 0. It's a red. What if I set the pen color to 20? You'll notice it's a little bit lighter. What if we say, instead of set pen color to, when the 1 key is pressed, change pen color by 10? Now, when I press the 1 key, you'll notice that the shade is changing a little bit each time I press the 1 key, because I'm repeatedly pressing it. What if we want to make a little rainbow? I could say, change pen color by 10 and put this in the forever loop. Now when I run the program, you'll notice that I'm drawing in a rainbow. This is cool. Since the pen color is always changing, it appears to be like a rainbow. So what about the other blocks? Change pen size and set pen size. Well, this is very similar. The pen can be different sizes. By default, I believe it is 1. However, if I set the pen size to 50, you'll notice that it will get bigger. Whoops, I used pen size. I meant to say set pen size. So if I set it to 20, you'll notice that the pen size will be a lot larger. You can see it's actually pretty huge now. And you can also see how the pen color is working. You can see how it's changing, and it's a rainbow. If I set the pen size, or if I say change pen size by 1 every time I press it, and in the beginning I'll set my pen size to 1, each time I press 1, it'll get a little bit bigger. You can notice that the line is thickening. What if, similarly to how I did it before, I move this into the forever loop? Now, you can see the pen size is actually huge, but this is because it's increasing so much and there's not enough time, because the pen size is increasing so much in so little time. So rather than putting this into that forever loop, let's just create a new forever loop and we'll add a delay of 1 second. Now let's change this to 0.5. So now you'll be able to see that the pen is actually slowly growing. You can actually see how much bigger it's getting. Already, the pen is much bigger than how it started. You can compare right over here. So finally, what is the pen shade block? Well, the pen shade is similar to pen color. If we set the pen shade to 50, and we start, press 1, it looks the same because this is what the pen shade is by default. What if I set the pen shade to 200 and I press the 1 key? You'll notice that it's extremely dark, but if you look really closely, you'll be able to see the rainbow colors. It's just a lot darker. So this is what shade is, the brightness of the color. We've just covered 9 different types of blocks. Pen color, pen color, pen color, pen shade, pen shade, pen shade, and pen shade. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.